everyone. Daniel is here, and welcome to another episode of the Data Science TLDR, where we take long papers and present them in a short and cohesive way, straight to the point. So today we have a really cool one. It's on the diagram of thought, or DOT, and it was published this month from Chinese researchers, and it's currently under review. And what they say that they introduce a new framework that extends chain of thought and tree of thought. If you're familiar with O1, the new open AI model, it uses chain of thought behind the scenes. So this is going to extend it. Let's read what they say in the abstract. We introduce diagram of thought, a framework that models iterative reasoning in large language models as the constructions of a directed acyclic graph, a DAG. I like DAGs, they represent the causal relationships between things, and it's all within a single model. Unlike traditional approaches that represent reasoning as a linear chains or trees, DOT organizes propositions, critiques, refinements, and verifications into cohesive DAG structure. Okay, so if we go here, there's introduction, and look at the exact DAG. So they see with one model that they use three different ways to generate the tokens, right? So they have a token that's called proposer, a token that's called critique, and a token that is summarizer. And you can see in this DAG that there's a problem statement, there's a proposition, the same model with a token of critique critiques it, and then refines and gets a new proposition. And there's like an iterative process. And this process allows seamless transitions between roles and improves logical consistency. And there's no need for external intervention. So no need for other models to supervise, etc. So if we go here to the methodology section, first they show that the model works really nice on the previous examples that model like ChatGPT 4.0 fails. Which number is larger, 9.11 or 9.8, 9.8? And oftentimes it made it wrong because in software development, which is most of GitHub, 9.11 comes before version 9.8. And that's why it makes the mistake. Also, how many R's in the word strawberry, etc. So they show that this model gets it right. Okay, so if we go down and see how they implemented it in the methodology section, they say that they use a mathematical framework called topos theory. I'm not familiar with it, but it's a branch of mathematics that ensures logical consistency. And here propositions are seen as objects, critiques as morphisms, and refinements as transformation between those sub-objects. The formalization guarantees that a reasoning process is logically sound and complete, meaning all valid reasoning steps are included without contradictions. This process of refining propositions mirrors the way a person revisits ideas when they encounter feedback or errors, right? So they say here, in conclusion, that DOT reiterates and captures the nonlinear nature of reasoning more effectively than previous methods. It allows LLMs to handle more complex reasoning tasks efficiently, offering a way to enhance both training, inference processes within a single model. And the best analogy I can think of is like, let's say you're chatting with your friends in a group. So one person is proposing ideas, another one critiques it, and another one summarizes all the conclusions from a discussion. And unlike like a straight line discussion, you can revisit points and refine them until they're clear and verified. Okay, and this is making the system much more flexible and logical. Cool. So if you like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and see you next time.